That's a great win, Chris, on the try tonight, 7-2 against St Asaph. Your thoughts on the performance?
Yeah, obviously really pleased. I think we've had a lot of games in the last month or so where we've made a lot of opportunities and maybe not been clinical enough, and spoke about that before the game, spoke about needing to make a fast start, and you could see that tonight. Obviously I think first goal comes after 45 seconds, and then we're clinical with all our chances in the first half. 4-0 up, and a lot of teams could have folded. Full credit to St Asaph. They battled back into the game, made it tricky for us, but then second half, I think the last half an hour we took over again and took our opportunities. At
one stage it was 4-2. Was a bit of sticky time on the bench, thinking we might lose this?
Not so much lose it, it was more we just needed to gain control again. So obviously we made a couple of substitutions and just tried to get control, particularly in the middle of the park. I think they'd made a shape change which was working for them a little bit. But once we got control again, I think we started making chances. And obviously when Reece gets his hat-trick goal, that just settles everybody down then.
Nice to have a hat-trick on a night like this as well.
Yeah, important for Reece as well. So he's been waiting for a goal for a couple of weeks, and then 3 all come along at once tonight.
Did we lose momentum when John Littlemore went off as well?
Yeah, I'd say so. Brilliant start by John. Obviously he scores the goal after 45 seconds. Great assist for Reece's goal as well in the first half, and John's been brilliant for some time now since he's come into the side. So we were made up the way he started the game. Obviously when you lose him, you've got to try and find a way of playing again, because we haven't got a number 9 at the moment on the bench. Obviously we're missing Tom, we're missing John. Ashley wasn't here tonight, so we're a bit low in the final third. So when we're losing John, obviously it takes us a bit of time to work out how we should go about things. But again, once we settled down and settled into the shape, we took over again.
Great night, great 3 points. Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch.